From a $69 million piece of artwork to a $379,000 song created using the genetic sequence of COVID-19, NFT are the internet's latest obsession. And they have the potential to make real money. The CEO of crypto exchange Coinbase said last month that the NFT market could quickly surpass the company's cryptocurrency trading business. So how can someone get in on the action? Here's what you should know. If you're new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon for future content just like this. What even is an NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token, which basically means that it's a one-of-a-kind digital asset that belongs to you and you only. The most popular NFT right now include artwork and music, but can also include videos and even tweets. Now that you've begun understanding what is NFT, you should explore and learn about how NFT works too. The majority of NFT reside on the Ethereum cryptocurrency's blockchain, a distributed public ledger that records transactions. NFT are individual tokens with valuable information stored in them. Because they hold a value primarily set by the market and demand, they can be bought and sold just like other physical types of art. NFT's unique data makes it easy to verify and validate their ownership and the transfer of tokens between owners. What is NFT used for? People interested in crypto trading and people who like to collect artwork often use NFT. Other than that, it has some other uses too, like digital content. The most significant use of NFT today is in digital content. Content creators see their profits enhanced by NFT, as they power a creator economy where creators have the ownership of their content over to the platforms they use to publicize it. The art sector of NFT professes to create an inclusive, protecting environment for digital artists to make money. Anyone with access to a computer can make an NFT and have the potential for it to blow up. Whether your niche is realistic, 3D motion graphics or blocky pixels, like the Nyan Cat video which sold for $600,000. This has the potential to be life-changing for millions of creatives worldwide. If you're an expert who know how to create NFT arts, then you can make $5,000 per week on Fiverr, helping businesses and individuals create NFT arts. There are many sellers on Fiverr that are already offering this service and making from $5,000 to $10,000 per week designing and creating NFT art for people. There are 4 categories of NFT services on Fiverr, which are NFT art, NFT marketplaces, NFT animated GIF, and NFT promotion. NFT art is an NFT is a digital asset that exists completely in the digital universe. You can't touch it, but you can own it. An NFT can be any type of digital file, an artwork, an article, music, or even a meme such as Disaster Girl, the original photo of which sold for $500K earlier this year. An NFT marketplace is simply a website that facilitates NFT trading. There are many sites that fall under that umbrella, and most of them have distinct benefits over their competitors. An NFT, or non-fungible token, is a unique token on a cryptocurrency blockchain that is provably unique. NFT animated GIF is a unique digital asset representing real objects like digital artworks, tweets, pictures, music, and videos. They store valuable extra information that allows them to take the form of anything digital that you own, like MP4, MP3, GIFs, and JPEGs. Turning them into crypto art and NFT promotion is the market flooded with NFT of various forms. And it is challenging to market your NFT project amongst a multitude of others, especially as this type of digital asset is so new. NFT marketing helps increase your project's visibility, builds your community of NFT enthusiasts, and enables you to drive more bids on your NFT marketplace, leading to maximum profits. Check out the article below to learn more. How to actually create an NFT. NFT marketplaces allow designers and artists to upload their digital artwork and list it for sale online as an NFT. You can imagine them to be like eBay or Etsy, except they're purely for NFT. The most popular ones include Rarible, OpenSea, Mintable, Known Origin, and Super Rare. One thing to keep in mind when uploading your artworks onto these is how many you're going to provide. You can choose to put it on as one of one, meaning there will only be one artwork to exist and be sold, or you could decide to upload a collection of the artwork with multiple copies. This is quite a huge decision to make because, like traditional art forms, the number of original editions and how rare a piece is will directly impact its value. Offering NFT art design service on Fiverr would make you a lot of money in a short period of time, as you can see lot of orders in queue from different sellers' profile. Create your profile on Fiverr now and start offering your NFT service. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel and like this video. I will see you in the next one.